Now that our second part, to display your products, to present your products to the buyers. And you will talk to the buyers about the product features, what you want to say for the better presentation of your products. Now, again, thanks a lot for your time to visit us, to see the products of women-owned businesses. Now, I would like to request all of you to visit the booths, to talk to the women-owned businesses. I would request all of you to visit all of the tables as per you can, to talk to them, to see them. And I would like to request all the women-owned businesses, those are on the table, those are showcasing their products, also invite them to come to your table and to showcase your products. It's a buyer-supplier meetup, so you have to articulate in that way, so proactively, so buyers can also visit your table. It's our part to, we are asking them, you also do the same thing. Thank you very much. This is Maksudur Rahman. I'm the market lead for Bangladesh, We Connect International. So I would like to ask all of you to visit the tables to see the products and discuss. Thank you.